Hello friends, today I am going to explain you about the application for cancellation of bail. Why this application is moved before the court. This application is moved. There may be many reasons. The first of all, the reason may be that suppose the section which is applied by the police on an accused and that section is bailable, suppose as section 325 is bailable, that section was applied by the police and on the basis of that the bail was granted by the honorable court, but the section which should be applied, that is 326, which is not bailable. Now this is come into your knowledge, and now you want to explain this all to the honorable court. Now what you will do, you will go to the court and file an application for cancellation of bail. And what will you write in that applications for cancellation of bail? That is explained in this application. There may be many more reasons because of which the application for cancellation of bail can be moved before the honorable court. As when the bail is granted, the court have some conditions, put some conditions on the accused, not to break those conditions, but the accused break those conditions. In that case also the application for cancellation of bail can be moved before the honorable court. But what we will write when you will move the applications, first of all you will write the name of the court, either that is Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, Metropolitan Magistrate, Session Court, etc., whatever the name of the court. After that you will write the application and FIR number, etc. Then you will write the name of the accused, if there are more than one accused, name of all the accused, state of, suppose the matters belong to Delhi, then you will write the state of and city of Delhi. If it belong to any other state, then you will write the name of other states and FIR number, etc. And under section 326, suppose you are filing this, if there is more than one person, then you will write also section 354 of the IPC. After that you will write the subject, application for cancellation of bail. Now you will write para wise, you will explain about the case and reasons of cancellations of the bail, that I am going to explain you one by one. First of all you will write that the application is, the applicant is the complainant in the case and is residing at the above address along with family member. First of all you will write the address of the complainant. Complainant will mention that he is residing at above address. Okay, and second para you will write that on the complainant had lodged a complaint. On matlab the date on which the complainant had lodged the criminal complaint against the accused which are mentioned above. Person at means the name of the police station. Suppose that is in Uttam Nagar, Rajouri Garden, Janakpuri, or any other police station. And for seriously assaulting the complainant, here you will mention the complainant was assaulted by the accused. Subsequently you will write in the application, you will write subsequently the accused persons were arrested in the case, and instead of applying section 326 of IPC, the senior inspector of the police applied section 325 of IPC. But here you will write the correct section which should be applied and which has been applied, which is the wrong, you will also mention both the section. Or you can also write the condition, if it is broken by the accused you can write those conditions if conditions are broken. Here I am writing because the wrong section of the IPC has been applied. That I will mention in the application, that you can also mention in your application. Now in further you will write that section 325 is bailable offence, due to which the accused person could easily obtain bail on the same day of the arrest. Means because the section 325 is bailable, therefore the bail was granted on the same day, and section 326 is non-bailable, so that action should be applied. Now you will further write in paragraph 3 that since the day of grant of bail to till to date, the accused person have resorted to unlawful activities, that is started mental harassment by passing sarcastic and lewd remarks against the complainant कि वो complainant के ऊपर कुछ गलत words बोल रहा है, and her young daughters also he is saying some wrong words to the daughter of the complainant also. Further you will write, further the accused person confidently claim that they have full cooperation of concerned public officer, as such they can do anything to them. So here you will write that there is nexus of the police and the accused, and in fourth para you will write that due to the threat and mental harassment, the complainant and its family members are undergoing. Sorry, again I am mentioning you section paragraph 4, that due to the threat and mental harassment, the complainant and his family members are undergoing tremendous stress and strain. As such, the complainant apprehend dangers to their lives from the above accused person. Means in fourth para you have to mention that there is some apprehension, there is some chance that something wrong can be happened with complainant and his daughter, etc. Then you will write this all thing in the section para 4. After that you will write para 5, that accused has violated the term and condition imposed on him if by this honorable court, and there is a possibility of committing major crime by the accused person against the complainant and the family member. Hence the bail granted to the accused person need to be cancelled and take them into custody as early as possible. I mean to say that in fifth para you will write also that the conditions which is imposed in section 325 is also violated by the accused. This is also the grounds for cancellations of the bail. The first ground which you have mentioned, that the wrong section was applied, section 325 was applied instead of section 326, and in fifth para you will write if any conditions are broken by the accused, and you will also mention that there is dangers to the life of the complainant and his family members. These all things you will have to mention in para 5. In para 6 you will write, it is therefore humbly pray. In para 6 you will pray that bail granted to the accused be cancelled and they be taken into judicial custody. And in last you will write, and for this act of kindness I shall ever pray. And also you will in last you will write the date on which the application is moved. Thereafter you write the applicant who is moving this application, and his signature will be mentioned here. So in this applications I have given you what you will have to mention in the applications for the cancellations of the bail. You can add some more conditions which has maybe incurred with you, which may be occurred with you. Some other grounds also can be taken in your application. This is the basic which is the basic conditions which I have explained you in this application. Thank you very much for watching this video.